Welcome to class, everyone. My name is Dr. Mary Kay Bacalhau, and this is Mercer University's EDMT 601, Problem Solving. Everything here is broken up into 8 weeks of assignments, and we have so many different problem-solving strategies to learn about. First, let's take a look at the syllabus. Notice in the syllabus, we are going to, here's my contact information, my email, and my phone number. You can purchase either one of these books. They both have the same information. One is just a different version, so either one of those books will be fine. And what we're going to do is we're going to develop our ability to solve problems, and we're going to be able to apply those problems to real-world applications. Here are some of the things listed in the syllabus. We're going to have reflections and discussions. We're going to be reading the chapter, so be sure and get either one of those books and doing practice problems. There are going to be online bonus problems for you to do to get bonus points. And we are also going to develop applications based on what we learn that will apply to our students at the grade level that we plan to teach or are teaching currently. Then there is a final assessment. You will also have an opportunity to vote on the application projects. And here is down here the grading scale, the honor policy, which you need to acknowledge, and that's part of your assignments for week 1. There's the course evaluation for you to complete. Now let's look at the tentative course outline. What you're going to be doing is every week we're going to be addressing a different problem-solving skill. Week 1 is the introduction. We're going to be doing draw a diagram, systematic lists, eliminate possibilities, looking for a pattern, guess and check, and working backwards. So let's get to the course and what this looks like. For each week, we are going to have a discussion and reflection. We're going to begin with this. This is the first thing that you're going to be doing in the class. Then you're going to be reading the chapter. After you read the chapter and have gone through and looked at the sample problems, go ahead and give the bonus, chapter 1 bonus problems a shot. See how you do with those. And then once you've done all that, the last thing you're going to do is submit your answers to your selected questions from chapter 1. Now let's go ahead to week 2, because week 2 is a little bit different in that you're going to have a reflection discussion at the beginning before you begin your work. Then you're going to be reading your chapter, trying your bonus problems. These are the bonus problems section. And then you're going to be selecting your problems to do from the chapter and submit. Another thing that we're going to be doing every week beginning in week 2 is we're going to develop applications for our problem solving strategies, and these are going to be applied to the grade level that we're going to be teaching or are teaching, and we are going to be creative and come up with real-world applications for these problem solving strategies. You are also going to be reading the work of your other classmates and commenting on their postings. What's new here is that we have a voting section here where you get to pick your favorite, most creative, thought-provoking, problem-solving application and vote on who you think should be the winner for that week, and explain your choice here. That's part of your weekly work. This voting section will be due 2 days after the application problems are due. So as you go throughout, it looks pretty much the same. Each week you're going to be doing the same things. And then when you get to week 8, that's when you're going to be taking your final assessment. And it's an authentic assessment because I don't explain which problem-solving strategy to use. You will select from the ones that you've learned throughout the semester. And then you'll have a final vote to vote on your most favorite problem-solving application in the course. Please feel free to call me or email me, and I'll be available for answering any questions you might have. I'll also be sending out some more videos on solving these problems. Thanks, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.